Alright, so in this video I am going to show you how to add lives to your Pong starter game. So let's look inside. Let's look at the code. So first we are going to create a variable. We're going to call this variable lives. Alright, and it's okay if it's for all sprites. So now we have a variable called lives. You can see it up here. Next, we are going to give ourselves 3 lives. So, right, you can choose as many lives as you want, but for this game, I'm going to set it to 3 at the beginning of the game. So, this is the first code that the program reads. All right. Next, I wanted to take away a life when it touches this red line on the bottom. So that code is down here. So if touching color red, then I want to change lives, right? The variable lives by a -1. I wanted to take away 1 life. And I'm going to remove the stop all code for right now. And another thing I want to do is that when this ball touches the red, I want it to bounce off of the red, because as it is right now, it bounces off of just the wall, and that code is right here. Or if on edge, bounce, right? So in order to bounce off the red, I'm going to use the code that the paddle uses, which is right here. This is for the paddle, right? If touching paddle, then do all of this. So this part in blue is the code that makes the ball bounce. So I'm going to remove it temporarily. I'm going to duplicate it by right-clicking. So now I have a duplicate, and I'm going to put that code back where it was at. And then my new copied code, I'm going to put it in there. So when it touches the red, it's going to change the lives by -1, and it's going to make it bounce, right? So another bit of code I'm going to add is that when the lives reaches 0, I want the game to stop. So I'm going to go to Events, create its code. So I always like this. You have to start with the when green arrow is clicked, and then under Control, I'm going to use the forever, remove the stop all, and I'm going to use the if then command, right? So what I'm trying to do here, if lives equals 0, then I want to stop all. So to create if lives equals 0, I go to the operator. I'm going to use this code, the equals, put it in there. I'm going to go back to variables, get the lives variable, drag it in there, and I'm going to set that equal to 0. So if lives equals 0, then stop all. You can change this to say stop all and also say game over. I'll let you try to figure that one out. So let's see if it works. Green arrows click. Okay, I lost a life. I lost another life. Let's see. Gotta wait for it. Might take a while. There it is. So it works.